Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IFMK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame, then it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Crazy movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if this price can stay up here above $3.85. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $3.85, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above that level, that would be a great sign of power. Next level of support after that would be the bottom portion of this consolidation area, and that sits at $3.30. So $3.85 and then $3.30, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back, looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet extremely effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, preferably speaking, stay up above 385, but big picture, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are hanging out at, pretty straightforward. There's quite a bit of price congestion right up here around $4.55. I realize the price did go up above there at one point, but there's other times where the price didn't quite hit it. So I'm just trying to split the difference there. And like I said, just in a general sense, that is clearly where, the price struggled today. So 455 will be public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, no doubt about it. Nice movement today. Let's see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.